How can I contrast two ideas I'm speaking about, where the second idea seems a little surprising or unexpected after the first idea? This can be really useful in presentations or in meetings when we want to talk about unexpected results or trends or data. We can also use it in conversation when we want to express our surprise at something. I'm Nicholas from sunny Cape Town, a city famous for its many beaches. Some of those beaches are in the Atlantic Ocean, and the water is extremely cold. But many people often go swimming in that icy water. That's surprising, isn't it? I'm sure you know the grammar and differences between the many linking words we can use. Words such as although, however, in spite of. But how and when should we use these words, especially in our business English? Let's use swimming in the icy water as our example. The first idea is the water is extremely cold. And the second surprising or unexpected idea is people often go swimming. To show my surprise, I could link these two clauses in the middle with and yet or still. The water is extremely cold, and yet people often go swimming. The water is extremely cold, still people often go swimming. Yes, that is surprising, but can I show it another way? I could use in spite of this, or the more formal despite this, at the beginning of the second clause. The water is extremely cold. In spite of this, people often go swimming. The water is extremely cold. Despite this, people often go swimming. Now, what is this? It's a thing, isn't it? It's the thing or noun in our first idea, the extremely cold water. We can shorten the whole surprising contrast into a single sentence by starting with despite and replacing this with the noun phrase, the extremely cold water. Despite the extremely cold water, people often go swimming. Another way to show the contrast is by using the linking words even though. Begin the first clause with even though, and then follow with the second surprising or unexpected clause. Even though the water is extremely cold, people often go swimming. When we use despite or even though, we can also make the surprise stronger by emphasizing the first idea. Change the clauses around and use your voice to stress the linking words. People often go swimming even though the water is extremely cold. People often go swimming despite the extremely cold water. Now you can really hear my surprise, can't you?